Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to name pages right here in surveyMonkey, or how we can add page titles. First of all, what we're going to do is we go to create survey, and then right here we start from scratch. So I can show you exactly from the beginning how to do that. The green one right here is our survey title. So we start right here with example YouTube. I like that title. Then we do right here center aligned, and then we do save. Then right now we can start creating our first question. So we call this one, what is your name? Then right here we do save. And then right here people can fill in right now what their name is. But I want to add a page title. So what we're going to do right now is we select right here the plus icon and we click here on text. And now we can call this one personal. So we can ask a lot of personal information. Then we do right here the bold, and then we do save. And then right now, if you can see, we gave this page right here a title called personal. If we now go to new page and we click right here on add content and we do question, we do right now, how old are you? There we go. And then we do right here under 18, for example, I don't know, or 80 and this and this and this and this, just for example. And then right here we do save. And then we can give this page a title too, because we click here on the plus icon, text, and then we do right here something like age. There we go. Now we're having right here this name of this page, and oh, we forgot right here the bold. So we want to do the bold again. And right now we're having the page title standing right there. If you click on it again, we can also align this one, I think maybe, I don't know if that's even possible. But hey, this is how you can title your pages right here. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.